So you are a small business and you want to regularly post on social media, but you don't want to spend a lot of money for any sort of tools that will let you plan ahead. Well, let me show you one tool that you can use for free. Stay tuned. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I will show you how to plan your content on Facebook and Instagram, so the most popular platforms at the moment, through Creator Studio. So this is Facebook's only and Instagram's only, because Facebook and Instagram are together. There are platforms that you can use if you already have your Facebook page and Instagram page. Now, I'm not going to be walking you through exactly how to sign up and how to connect it. If you want me to do videos about it, just let me know in the comments down below. However, you're going to be able to see how to actually post and how to create a content library. Now, what we want to achieve is we want to have posts scheduled ahead. Now, we don't use Creator Studio to actually plan our content. We use something called Content Studio. Check the link in our description as usual. But you can see our past posts actually. But you can see all the posts, all published, scheduled, drafts, and so on and so forth. We have some old drafts in here as well. So how do you do that? You're going to be creating posts. So you're going to be going right here. And how do you schedule it? If you want just a normal post, normal graphic post, for example, you want to share a photo with the description or something like that, we're going to go and we're going to choose share a photo. And what we're going to do, we're going to be putting this top 3 skills on social media manager. Now, you have that uploaded already, and we are going to write the description. What are the top 3 skills of social media? Forgive me not to put the caps, but it's just right for something. Now, what can you do? You can choose from an array of options in here. So you can make it public. Well, I think you will want to do that, but you can restrict your audience to specific things. You can boost the post straight away. You can post it now, schedule, backdate. So if someone is scrolling through your timeline, this post will appear, let's say, 3 days earlier, but they're not going to get a notification. Or you can save draft. What we can do is we can schedule that post, for example. So as you can see, you have the publication here, and you can also publish something on your website that is not going to appear on your newsfeed, on the newsfeed of the people who are following you. I don't know what it can be, but it might be whatever you want. So you are going to be putting the time and the date, and we are going to put schedule. And then this changed from publish now to schedule post. We can schedule the post. And as you can see, the post has been scheduled. So not only you can see it on top of here, but you can also see it in schedule posts. Now, what is even more fun thing to do is that you can cross-post it to Instagram. So when you open it again, you can add your hashtags, hashtag test, hashtag social media manager, or maybe without spaces, media manager, blah, 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 and you're gonna put what amount of hashtags you want. Of course, you can use 30, you have 28 hashtags in here, and you can do what Instagram lets you do, so add your 10, whatever you need. Good thing about this is, if you will be posting video, for example, it will show you the possibility, even if it's like 60 seconds video, it will show you the possibility in here to change the thumbnail. I might show you in a minute how to do that. And what you can do again is you can schedule it, or you can save it as post. Let's do it again for the 5th, 1:13, and we are going to schedule it. And now, of course, it doesn't appear here, but we are going to jump through Instagram in a second. So not to show you all of our accounts today, I jumped into our Instagram, so you can see that here on the top you have the icon for Instagram or for Facebook. So I jumped to our Instagram, and we can see that it has indeed been scheduled. So what you can do is you can post stuff on Facebook and then cross-post them to Instagram. But what you can also do through Creator Studio, which is very handy, is that you can upload the videos for IGTV. But as I mentioned, you can do it with IGTV, so you can choose your cover and everything. What is good thing as well is that you can also upload MOV files in here as well, not only MP4s. So if you have a MOV file you can post it through Creator Studio. I know that it has been a problem for people who, for example, went live, saved something in their camera roll, and then they cannot upload it to IGTV. It does work through the app, but IGTV separate app is a different story. So let's do something for Instagram feed and let's add content. Let me find something that is going to be animated. So, very good tip, as I said, is that when you're gonna choose something, as I said, that is animated, we did quite similar post, but now we animated it, right? As you can see, this is what, as a default, Instagram would show as your cover, because this post is animated, right? Everything jumps up. Now you can go here and you can choose your cover image. In our case, it's 5-second post, so they're gonna be all the same, right? As you can see, this writing is a little bit different because this is when it's still jumping in. But you can choose your cover image. So if you are doing square posts with a video, it's a great thing to put them through Creator Studio, because that is gonna avoid situation like that when you either have a silly face or you just have something like background and everyone's like, why is an empty post there? And of course you can do what are top 3 tips, blah 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 blah, put your hashtags here, put the location here, and so on. And again, this time we're going to save it as draft for later. So this is done for Instagram only. And the difference that I find super interesting is that there are different actually tabs in here. I don't know why that is. I don't know why they cannot just do it all, but we can decide to see only drafts, yeah? So you can see our old draft and you can see today's draft. You can open it up, see how it looks like, you can edit the post, change the settings, all sorts of stuff, yeah? So that is it. That is a basic rundown through Creator Studio. I hope it helps you a little bit, and definitely try to use it for your IGTV to schedule posts going out and to set this little thumbnail for actually your video square posts under a minute. They're coming out in your grid on the Instagram. So that is definitely something. And if you're a small business, this is a great tool to plan your content, not having to worry about every single day what post is going to be going out today. Just have it all on automation for free. Please make sure you leave a like and comment. Are you using Creator Studio, or what other platforms are you using to plan your content? Thank you and see you soon. Bye.